Focus can also be a noun.
Oh, means what?
It means a point of focus.
A point.
That's not a good that's not a good explanation, is it?
Uh,
Watch this. Focus. Meaning. Believe it or not, there's a movie called Focus, and it's really good with Will Smith. So here we go. Noun. The center of interest or activity. Hmm. You see? Or here's another noun. The
oh,
state
I
the
know.
state or quality of having or producing clear visual definition. You know, in a camera, you have to like change the focus on the camera. For example, watch my face here. Watch my face. I'm changing the focus on my face. You see?
Mm, mm,
See? I'm
mm.
changing the focus. It's a noun, the focus. I'm manipulating the focus. Also, the first definition, the center of interest or activity. It's the focus.
Ah.